Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to use Asana's AI Assistant. So now we know at this stage that AI is literally in every single app that we use. And if it's not in that app, then you shouldn't be using it because you are being left behind. In Asana, on the top right-hand side, you will see the little icon. It says Chat with Asana AI. And right here, it'll open up this window. You can open it up full screen as well, which is not much of a full screen. Basically, what you can do here is ask me anything. So let's say, for example, list all of my high priority tasks. You'll see it'll review your request and then it'll give you the answer that you're looking for. So here we go, searching through all of your projects, looking for your high priority tasks. This is all good and well. And this is great because it operates within all of your Asana accounts, okay? So you can see it's now giving me my results and you can ask follow-up questions. It does also remember the conversation that you'll be having. You can also start a new conversation, which is fantastic. Right, this is another way of doing it. Let's go into one of our projects. Go and click on projects over here. Click on one of them and let's go to boards. And I'm going to open up this create social media graphics for product launch. Now you can see that we have a description. Now, once you go into this description box, you can literally see that there's that very same icon. You can click on this and here you can have some recommended edits. So now it's going to edit that for you. It's going to assess it and give you a better version of it. You can see, we can just say replace perhaps. You can also see that you can summarize the task. You can draft subtasks. So it's really handy when getting in to creating. One of the other ways is if you're going over here to create and you're going to create a project, you can do this for the same thing when you are creating goals. You'll be able to do it when you're creating portfolios as well. And right over here at the top, it says create with AI. And now you can briefly describe the work that you want to manage. So you can say, I'm a video editor. I need a workflow that helps me manage different projects at the same time. Let's go ahead, say create. Now it's going to create a completely new project for you. And it's going to create a custom workflow, timeline, board view, whatever it is that you need. It's going to create something for you so that you can use it specifically for your needs. As you can see on the left hand side, it's starting to create, and if you give it a second, it'll start populating this main part of the screen. It's going to create this project, and then of course you can still customize it when you're done, either by command over here or by simply adding, taking away, creating, dragging, dropping, editing the actual project. All right, here we go. So we got new projects and briefs, pre-production, active editing, all of this. Lovely. I love it. It's got everything that we need over here, and it's done quite a bit of thinking. So there we go. There are a few ways that you can use the AI within Asana.